Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a little update what I do here on the farm beside this taking care of the animals in the morning. So yeah, I will take you on my daily routines here at the farm. We're going to start with cleaning the horses, because even though they are miniature horses, they produce a lot of poo. So while the horses enjoy their breakfast, I take care of their overnight compartments here. Sometimes they're poo in here, and I fill up the hay for the night and fill up the fresh water, and then I close the doors afterwards so they don't eat it already. And yeah, then I also clean a little bit the outside here, and yeah, they're small and just 4, but they almost fill half of a wheelbarrow each day, so quite a lot to do. Every third day we give the stables a little water cleaning, so today is deep clean day. The next stop is prepare dinner. So here's all the hay storage, and I usually need to be quick because as soon as I open the door they prefer this instead of their breakfast. Go out, go out, no. Better close the door. Go. Yeah, sometimes it's the easiest just to work here in the dark and fill up everything instead of sending them out all the time. So, dinner is ready for everyone. I just prepared the boxes now. So, I think I didn't forecast it too much. This is what these 4 miniature horses produce in one day. So, miniature horses, but a digestion is a big one. It's needless to say that the alpacas poop too. Compared to the horses, they kind of potty trained though. At least they also poop in the same 3 or 4 spots in their area, so I collect these twice a week. The alpaca poop is way smaller and looks like goat or rabbit dirt. It's very valuable because it makes a great fertilizer in your garden, and the alpaca poop is even sold on the farm. Besides taking care of the animals, I also help with various other jobs here on the farm. For example, building a flower bed. The result is kind of crooked, but the Canadian way of doing things is way more pragmatic and not as super meticulous as I know it from back home. In the end, all what matters is the result, and that is, we have a new flower bed in the parking lot. Another job is wood splitting. But if you now have the stereotypical cliches in your head of me swinging an axe, I have to disappoint you. Luckily, we have a hydraulic wood splitter here that does the job. It works super slow-mo, but in the end I'm very happy that it does the job for me. One of the biggest jobs here on the farm was to replenish the hay store, so all animals have food for the next months. We made several trips to the main island and in total we moved 500 bales of hay. For the first 300 my colleague James was here to help. The last 200 I had to do alone, because he moved to another farm. It's a great workout, but you better not have hay fever. It's a little like carrying my backpack up and down the stairs several times. There was, however, a very positive side about my colleague leaving. I could move into the bigger trailer, and oh boy, what an upgrade it was. Perhaps you saw my earlier video where I gave a room tour in my trailer. Look where I moved now. I moved to Cougarland. What that is my new trailer. As my colleague moved on to the next place, I could move into the bigger trailer, and that's the one. So, let me give you a room tour. So, as you can already see, it's way more spacious and I have real furniture. Like this very comfortable seats, a couch, dining table. I could even invite guests here with like 4 seats. There's an entertainment system with a TV and a radio and a nice little kitchen. So compared to the Wilderness trailer, this is a really huge upgrade. But let me show you the second room. From the kitchen we can go directly to the sleeping room. This mattress here is like 3 times as thick as the old one, so it's really comfortable to sleep here. I have a bathroom here, there's the toilet and the huge shower. So this really feels like an own flat here. That's it for today. That was my little update from the farm with my upgrade here from the trailer. So see you next time. Bye bye.